Now look at her closely. Look at her closely, family. Look at her closely. See, this is how spirit communicates with you. I want y'all to understand how spirit communicates with you. You might be walking in the grocery store and you'll say, damn, man, that nigga look like my cousin. Or you might be walking in the mall and you say, man, that person reminds me of Denzel, right? Well, that's your spirit communicating to you to tell you, to give you the clues, the aha moments that you need to look into that energy. You need to look into that energy of your cousin. You need to look into that energy of Denzel. So look closely at the goddess again. Boom, there she go.
Really?
Hey,
how the hell you pull that off?
I can't make it up. Spirit be knowing, baby. Players Club, baby.
Wow.
We back in the day. This is the same thing I've been telling y'all about for the longest, right? You have to be true to yourself and true to your calling, right? And that's just the same way as what I was telling y'all about, strippers that I used to see back in the day, right? They didn't give no, they used to dance because they loved to dance. You feel me? So now that's heavy, family, because understand, right, that they showing her or spirit is showing her right now to basically tell you that, hey, look, you got to look and see if this is true to you, baby. You got to see if you really about this life, right? Where's your head at? Where's your kingdom at? You feel me? Where's your mind at?